Hey everybody, it's Stephanie with the Tapestry Network, and I am here with my dear sweet sister and friend and business coach, Brenda Byers, and we're going over the details for the Women Like Me event on January 20th, 2020. I know it's so cool to say that. And we are just so excited for all that's going to happen and the people that are going to show up and the connections that are going to be made and the spectacular networking that's going to happen and what's going to happen on the main stage and all of the nuggets of wisdom that we're going to gain from this day. And so I encourage you. I do, what's a stronger word than encourage? My heart's desire is that you come and you spend this day with us from 10 to 5, and then we have a special mega networking event going on that night from 5:30 to 7:30. We're inviting the entire region to come hang out here at, where are we, Brenda?
Officers Club.
We're at the Officers Club, and it's absolutely beautiful. And we've got vendor opportunities. I'd really love to partner with you if that's something that you want to use to really kick off your 2020 business goals. And I'm like so excited, I just don't even know what to say. So anyways, we'd love to have you here. We're praying for you, and we wish you a great success for the end of 2019, and we want to help you be fabulous in 2020.